much is being said recently surrounding the decriminalization of abortion in India, yet one feels the need to constantly keep building this discussion further. The complexities around this issue, whether it is the law or the issue of abortion in itself, just points towards the varied aspects and ways in which this is connected to the lives of women, gender diverse persons, particularly those from marginalized communities and identities, across the lines of caste, class, ethnicity, disability, religion, etc. The decriminalization of abortion in India, to me, is defining that very fine, thick line between state's role of protection of rights, wherein the reproductive rights gets promoted, as opposed to dictation of rights, wherein while you recognize that women have rights, but there is complete subjugation of decisional autonomy and control over their lives, what we see currently. As someone looking into the sexual and reproductive health rights, SRHR, health rights overall, we keep talking about the barriers faced by the women and marginalized communities to access SRH services. We do also realize, though, that these so called barriers are systemic in nature. The biases within the systems, including health systems, legal systems, is something that comes in direct conflict in recognition of these rights. Now, legal provisions such as decriminalization or anything that threatens the agency of women in having absolute rights over making decisions pertaining to their sexual or reproductive health and lives further enables or strengthens these biases and, in fact, have let them flourish so far. Doing away with criminalized approach would at least therefore underline the reassertion of the rights over the institutional powers and determinations over women's lives. SRHR, when seen particularly from the lens of marginalized communities, also raises the questions of justice and how prohibiting laws, along with poor public health systems, have led to violations of the rights of women from such communities. Like anything else, the burden of criminalization too is not universally distributed. It worsens more the pathways of seeking comprehensive SRH care for women from marginalized communities. We keep saying barriers, but what we also mean is that they aren't just hurdles to overcome, but are derived from the powers resting within the systems and institutions. The state, which finds it challenging or rather retreats from ensuring the availability of comprehensive services or ensuring health determinants for everyone on one hand, but does not blink twice before stepping in to make decisions or creating medical boards, asking opinions of doctors, whereas the decision on abortion should solely rest with the pregnant person. And the service providers ought to be playing really an enabling and supportive role in this. Right to dignified healthcare and service is linked with negotiating powers within the system's corridors and demanding an accountable systems for all. With the current legal and policy reforms en route, one simply hopes that right to safe abortion gets recognized adequately and promptly.